Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream at home. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. A good ice cream maker is essential for the best texture. We'll then combine these ingredients to form a rich base. Next, we'll chill the mixture thoroughly before churning it to perfection. Finally, we'll discuss freezing and serving your delightful homemade creation. To begin your ice cream adventure, you'll need a few key items. Start with 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk for that creamy texture. Add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar to sweeten it perfectly. For flavor, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract is classic, or consider 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for chocolate. Don't forget your ice cream maker, a large mixing bowl, and a sturdy whisk. Now, let's create that delicious ice cream base. In a large bowl, whisk together your heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar until the sugar is fully dissolved. If you're making a custard-style ice cream, you'll gently heat this mixture with egg yolks, but for a simpler approach, just combine. Stir in your vanilla or other flavorings. Crucially, chill this base in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight to ensure it's very cold. With your base perfectly chilled, it's time for the magic of churning. Pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker and let it run for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Once churned, transfer the ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to firm up. Now, scoop and enjoy your incredibly fresh, homemade ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.